New featured models in Leonardo AI. We will discuss three new updates in this video. So here are the three new featured models. Dream Shaper version 7, Dream Shaper version 6 and 5 are also available. And Absolute Reality 1.6 photorealistic style model. And the last one is 3D animation style. Actually, I have tried this before. So among all these models, we first use Dream Shaper version 7. Select this model uh, and I have written the prompt in WordPad, so I will copy it. We use this text and paste here, and then select the none option, and then generate. So here is the beautiful art created by Leonardo AI, stylish outfits and vibrant colors. I really liked it. Now we use the Absolute Reality model version 1.6. This prompt is inspired by a user. Look at the choice of the words. Detailing is the key for your image generation. So here is the another wonderful piece of art. This art has a garden in the background and you can see the natural lighting, colors and detailing. In the third update, we will use a 3D animation style model. Select this and a character inspired by Alita Battle Angel. But for this art, we also used a negative prompt and we copy it from WordPad and paste here. And notice these words. So an animated character is generated. Look at this image, similar like Alita Battle Angel movie. And just one small mistake in the hand. Overall, I think this animation art is great.